Hello friends, my name is Mr. Giacobbe, and this is a quick tutorial on how to install Zoom on your school-issued Chromebooks. The first thing you should do is open Chrome and then do a Google search for the Chrome Web Store. It will be the first hit that comes up. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you will want to search the store for Zoom. What you will note is once it searches, you will see that Zoom is not actually the first hit. You do not want an extension. So you will scroll down until you reach the Apps section. There your first hit will be Zoom, offered by https zoom.us. This is the one that you want. Click on it, and then click on the blue Add to Chrome button. What you're looking for here is something that says Add App. Click the Add App button and it will begin downloading. Once it finishes downloading, you will have installed the Zoom app. You can access it two ways. One, by clicking the Launch App button here, which will then show you your new interface for Zoom. Or you can use the Applications toggle in the bottom left where the dot is. It's now part of that menu. So most of the time you'll be accessing Zoom by clicking that button there, clicking Zoom, and then you can input your meeting ID and your screen name here. Using the Zoom app instead of using Zoom in your web browser should result in improved performance.